Hello children, today we are here to revise the chapter Metals and Non-Metals. In this video today we will discuss about physical properties of metals and non-metals. First physical property of metals is that metals are ductile. Ductile means the ability to be drawn into a thin wire. For example, copper can be drawn into a thin wire. So metals have this property of ductility to be drawn into thin wires. Second property is metals are malleable. Most metals are malleable, which means they can be flattened into thin sheets or formed into shapes without shattering. For example, aluminium can be flattened into sheets to make foil and cans. Next property seen in the metals is metals are lustrous, means they have shiny appearance. Metals are sonorous. This property refers to the sound that metals make when they are hit. So metals make a ringing sound when they are struck. Next property of metals is metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Also, metals are generally solid and hard, except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Now let's have a look at physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gaseous. Examples of solid non-metals are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Whereas bromine is the only liquid non-metal. Some non-metals are found in gaseous state like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Next property is non-metals are soft, except diamond, which is the hardest natural substance. Non-metals do not have luster. They do not have a shiny appearance except iodine crystals. Unlike metals, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. So we cannot make thin sheets or wires from non-metals. Next is non-metals are bad conductors of heat, and usually non-metals are bad conductors of electricity as well, except graphite. The non-metals are not sonorous. They do not produce that ringing sound which is seen in the case of metals. Let's have a look at few questions. Question number 1 is define malleability. Malleability is the property possessed by metals due to which they can be beaten into thin sheets. Second, ductility. Ductility is the property to be drawn into thin wires. C. Sonorous. Sonorous refers to the property of metals due to which they produce ringing sound when struck with a hard object. Question number 2. Differentiate between metals and non-metals. Here we have many properties which we can write down to compare metals and non-metals. Number 1. Metals are generally solid and hard, except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Non-metals are found in all three states: solid, liquid as well gaseous. Second point, metals are malleable, non-metals are not malleable. Number 3, metals are ductile, non-metals are not ductile. Number 4, metals are sonorous, non-metals are not sonorous. Number 5, metals are lustrous, whereas non-metals are non-lustrous except iodine crystals. Number 6. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, while non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity except graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity. Question number 3. Name the following. First, a liquid non-metal. Yes, children, can you name which is a liquid non-metal? Bromine. Yes. Second, a soft metal. There is a metal which is, usually metals are hard, but there are two metals which are very soft. Which are those two metals? They are sodium and potassium. Number 3, a metal liquid at room temperature. Yes, it is mercury. D, a non-metal having luster. Answer is iodine. E, the hardest substance made of non-metal. The hardest substance made of non-metal is diamond, which is a form of carbon. F, a non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. Answer for this is graphite. And last question, copper is used for making electrical wires. Give reason. Copper is a metal, hence it is ductile, can be drawn into wires, and also it is good conductor of electricity. Hence it helps to conduct electricity. Therefore, copper is used for making electrical wires. That's all for physical properties of metals and non-metals. In the next video, we'll continue with chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Thank you everyone.